Hello there, I'm Gabriel and welcome back to another video, and today we're talking about how to find your Instagram stalkers. This is a super controversial topic at the moment. There are many blogs, many videos on the internet talking different theories and all of that. What I did is I compiled all of the information so you can save time from watching all of these videos and blogs and all of that, and you just have the facts right away. I already taught you how to do retargeting to all of your profile visitors so you can convert people that visit your profile but don't take any actions. The video is down in the description. But how do you find out who are the people that are actually watching your stories on your profile and they are not taking any actions? So maybe you can just DM them and just do something regarding your personal brand and your business. So there are many articles out there. One of the most famous ones is one of the Reddit articles. I'll link that in the description so you can read it. They are saying that basically the first 10 people within your stories that always appear at the same stage, these are the people that are always watching your content the most. They are interacting or even not interacting but only watching your content. So this is super interesting because you may have potential clients within your business that are always watching and always in silence, so you can reach out to them and know what's going on and just start a conversation, because as you know, many people are super shy about it. So this is the time that you watch these 10 to 20 people within your story views and see who are these people that are the top fans. This is a super great way to start reaching out and doing outreach and just creating new relationships. This is all for today. Down in the description you have the video about how to transform your non-followers into an engaged audience. This is super useful for these stalkers, the same topic, but here I'll teach you step by step how to run ads to be able to maximize your results. Like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.